Welcome back to the California Gardener. This is gardening on the West Coast. I just wanted to give you a little tip when gardening beans like yellow string beans, burgundy beans, green beans, all of these beans. They look like this. When you plant them, they just look like a little bean, right? You put it under the soil like half an inch to an inch under the ground, and then it pops out of the soil. If you don't plant enough, you may find that, a quarter of your plants come up looking like this. Usually means some bug got in there and ate the top off while it was underground. And this is useless. This will never turn into a plant because they ate the part that's going to create all the leaves off. And this one is just a dud. You see there's another one over here. You can see it just gets chewed off and then they die, right? Or the other thing is they get these root-eating bugs. They kill the root. So how do I avoid that? I plant lots. Put them like close, 3-4 inches apart. And then a certain percentage will survive. And then you can thin the plants out to like every 6 inches or so, 6-8 inches. They create pretty good sized plants even though they're close. So I find that just planting them close together, because some will not survive. Like look at this one. See, this one looks fine, and right beside it here's a dead one, and I just go around, I pull them out. So for whatever